Nag-shortcut ha? Nag-shortcut? Nag-shortcut. Tao me. Nag-shortcut. Ato siya siyang hasyenda. Pupunta kami sa hasyenda namin. Char. We will go in our farmhouse. Charis. Farmhouse. Oh, shortcut. Tin. Tira na maak. Ha? Pagpiansa ka bago rin na panganak. Hi goat. This is our goat, char. Our goat. Our kind of goat. Hindi pala sa amin, guys. Oops. So we're almost there. We will go there. Our nephews. Nangris ko dahil mugikan. Excited kayo. God bless. Yodong. Hoy, bless. God bless you. Oh, munta ka dala og
may wifi na kasi kon.
Nagotao lagi sila wifi daan. Si daan pa lagi ko, diri to gikan. Katong nagkuan diri no. Nalagi tagbuan na mo diha oh. Mo niya mga sinda guys oh.
Pa, kunika si Mamang Dilin ninyo para
Daan na mi kuan palasyo. Nanami sa among farm guys, worth of 10 million. 10 million. Tara, let's go. Wait na. Hi.
Kuan ka, maikot kay guys.
Coba na oy.
Dalag pa na si Karkar ka. Sorry ka flake, bagong karang flake.
Manumbag po di ay na. Hi guys. Na hi guys ha.
Yung ka malumi mo, eh.
Na-slide. Oh my goodness. Wow, amazing. Amazing. Up, up, slowly. Oh my god.
What a goodness. What a bro. What a kiki in a pogi.
Wow. Up. Sabi diri karon sa pangpang.
What a kiki yun.
Dora. And
Go.
where we will go? Up, up, up. Oh my god, up! There is a clay because it's raining lately.
Clay pa man dyan na. Lapok.
There is a clay lapok.
Kuan mo guna oh. San.
Wow!
Guna na mo dito lang ka.
What we call this one in English? Huh? What we call this one? This one is coconut. Lisura man na ni.
Nga, bugat kayo kayo manggilan. Jadi ka kadaog sa lawas.
Naa manggoy clay, danlog. Up. Up slowly. Oh my goodness.
Dia ka salo.
So we are from there. The baby coconut. Because still a baby and there is already the smell of the pig. Here is our pig. It's very stinky. What? What did you say? They say it's very stinky. Yeah, it's stinky. Yeah, it's stinky. It's normal with a pig. Because pig is a pig. And it's stinky. But after this one, after the 8, we will clean. So this already clean. But outside it's stinky because of the clay and the poop of the pig. The machine for the pump of the water. Yes, and the water is from here to wash the pig in the machine. So we will make, then we will wash the pig by this one with the hose, with the water, like a shower. So after, if it will become more big and big and big, we will sell it to the market. Oh, who's that boy? Oh, who's that boy? Oh, brave one. So after we sell to the market and the money is already, this is a small house here. It's from someone before, but we don't know. They already left. So I think this is, so maybe someone is living here before, and every time they are harvesting something, fruits or coconut, so they build small house for a temporary. Every time they will harvest coconut, so they sleep here for how many days. Then after they harvest, then they will, after now there is no more. So there is a little river here, and what a beautiful place. You know guys, this is my dream before, and I have my own farm, have my own animals, kinds of animals like that. Wow. See, there is also someone is fishing. Wow. So the water is like that color because, so there is someone fishing out there. So the water is like that color brown because it's raining recently, no? So if there is no rain, so of course the water is very crystal and clear. So here, I remember before when I was still young, we will wash our clothes here. We will wash our clothes here, but not in this area, it's in the another area. So, and we also take a bath from here. So this is, but this color is not like this. So like that. And there is corn plants there. They plant corn. So like that. The corn. And like this. The place is so amazing, you know. So we're planning to put all animals here. Because I told to my brother that I will buy animals. The vlogger about sa bukid. My nephew, he said, my nephew, he said, oh, the vlogger is here in the farm, in the mountain. Tulong English. Fresh air, fresh ambience, beautiful scenery. Yeah. See? This is the kind of old house in our old Filipinos before. So, no one here, no? Like, oh my God. There is clay. So, do you know what is this, guys? Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this is a coffee or cacao. Cacao, we call it here. We call it that cacao. Hey, uy, may kapi. Di ba kapi to? Nagbulaklak na siya, oh. Kapi. So this is cacao, we call it in a Filipino language cacao, and in English it will become a coffee. Coffee or it's a cacao. It's different like that. So that is papaya. This is lemon. See, there is thorns. Lemon ni siya, kuya? Bungon. Silingin. Bungon. Forget what we call this in English. There is a thorns. It's a kind of fruits, but there is thorns. I think this is not a calamansi or lemon. So there is a guava. Ayaw! The naughty nephew.
Oh, you.
Let's go! There is a guava. What a nice place, a beautiful place. Someday, we'll put cow and goat and chicken. Carabao here. Tara! Diyan na, kuya. Gisugo day ka. Tara, let's go. Oh, wow. Butong?
Lubi.
Lubi o butong?
Coco melon.
Butong. So, we will make fruit salad. Coco salad. Boko salad. Let's go. Oops.
Bugat mo kayo nila ba?
Kina, let's go na. Akoy. Oh my goodness. Adventure. Let's go. We'll go back to our farmhouse or a small farmhouse. There. Whew. Whew. Wee. Ito yun.
Kayo una na, Kurt. Kayo una.
Masamad ka, Kuya Kirk.
Kayo din naman ang gilin na, Kurt. Salamat.
Uy, ka-cute sa ring. Di lagi magkuan, Kuya, magmotor.
Padrebon pa ito, gusto mamanjilin po.
Ayo, lagi kay kuan, mas-slide ka.
Kapoy-kapoy naman isang balik
Wow.
dari. Bakla na po siya pero dari. Pero isang balik dari.
Nagad. Nanang, iro, pakuyog ko, makuyog ko, kuyog ko.
Pipi, tropi.
Tara na. Wala man di ko kaingon si mong papa o mama.
Mang-upo-upo isa.
Nalinduta, oy. Wow.
Hop, kay lapas di asang garden ha.
Usa ni siya? Ay, ampalaya. There is an ampalaya.
Napagani kamuti dito hop. Tung sa.
A biter melon. Biter melon, di ba sa
Biter
English?
pa mo dyan ha. Anong maa?
Biter melon.
Lipot rin ko dito.
Dragon fruit. It's a beans. Oh. It's eggplant. And we are almost there. Oh my. The smell of the grass. The car of my brother is here. Oops.